Hi students, very nice good morning to you. Today I am here with a notice. Sometimes you may be seeing these type of notice with your newspapers, is it? Can you say why these supermarkets preparing such type of notice? You can see in this notice the original MRP. MRP means market price and the price offered by the supermarkets, is it? So, the shopkeepers know we all are for to buy items at reasonable price, that is in offer price. So, the offer means there are some amount is discounted, is it? Discounted from the original price. A reduction in the MRP, market price, is it? You know, when you are visiting the shopping malls, you can see offers, is it? The offer means reduction in the original price. So, we get a profit, is it? A profit while we are buying at the time of offers, is it? So, in this chapter, in your second chapter, we are going to learn about the profit and loss. As you know, these two terms are daily using terms, is it? So, this chapter is very applicable in our practical life. Suppose you buy a fish for rupees 30. Okay, then you sell that fish after some days or some months for rupees 50. Then you got 20 rupees more, is it? That 20 rupees is your, yes, profit. We all sell items to get a profit, is it? Here you get a 20 rupees profit. But sometimes while we are selling our vehicles or gold, we get profit or loss. Yes, of course, a loss, is it? Suppose you bought a vehicle for a cycle. Suppose you bought a cycle for rupees 5,000. Okay. After 1 year, you used that item and sold it for rupees 3,500. And now you got 1,500. Yes, loss, is it? So these two terms are very familiar to you, is it? While I am explaining this, you may be thought about such situations, is it? So, the value for which we buy items, it's called, can you say? Yes, CP, that is cost price. It is called cost price. And the value for which we sell items, it's called, yes, selling price, that is SP. SP can be read it as selling price. And you know, a profit is, yes, SP minus CP. It is the profit because SP is greater than CP. At the time we get a profit. And you can also explain loss as CP minus SP. When cost price is greater than of selling price, it's called loss, is it? And we can explain it through some examples. Suppose cost price is given as 280 rupees and selling price is 180 rupees. At a glance, you can say that it is a, yes, loss. SP is less than CP. So, here we have a loss and that rupees can be calculated by subtracting these values. Is it? You know, we studied about percentage. Percentage is a, yes, fraction with denominator 100. Is it here 10? Now it's 10%. Is it? When it is 20, we have, yes, 20%. Is it? So, we studied percentage, and you know, any number can be expressed as percentage by taking 100 as denominator. You know, the relation between two quantities can be expressed in the form of percentage by taking its, yes, fraction. As you know, when I divided a circle into two parts, this part can be expressed in percentage as it is the 1/2 of this circle, and fraction into 100 denotes the percentage of this part. Is it? So, we can also express the loss and profit in terms of percentage. Have a look. Here we have loss percentage is equal to, loss is 100, and you know the total amount, that is the loss occurred according to the, yes, CP. CP is the total amount. So 100 by 280, and you know every fraction can be expressed in terms of percentage by, yes, multiplying the fraction with 100. Got it? By cancelling, we get, here 2 goes 5 times, here 14 times. So 500 divided by 14 percentage. By dividing this value, we get the actual percentage. So we studied what's loss, what's profit, and you know all these can be expressed in terms of, yes, percentage. So these all are about profit and loss. In our daily life, so many times we come across through these concepts. Is it? So now from today onwards, you can calculate your profit, your loss, and percentage of profit and loss. So go through the chapter and solve examples. You may come across with so many problems. Try to solve by yourself, and we will discuss more at the time of DCS. Okay, thank you.